Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Welcome back to my usual subscribers. This is a little bit different than what I usually do. Now and then I just throw something odd in here. Excuse me. So I've had these flowers drying, pressed flowers, for like weeks and weeks now. And since I'm on vacation this week, I thought this is a great time to do this project. So what I have here is a picture frame that I've had in my room with no pictures in it. And it has a mirror in the center. And I was looking at it one day and I thought, dried, pressed flowers would look really elegant on this. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm arranging them onto this glass frame. And it's really easy to do. This is something you can do with your kids. It is a super easy project. Then you just take some Mod Podge. I recommend using a larger brush. I just grabbed one that was nearby, and then you just paste down the flowers like this. Now you can do just over top of the flowers or petals or whatever you're using, but I covered the entire viewing area of the frame. I just wanted that consistency, and when it dries clear. When it dried, I thought maybe it'll give it a little stained glass type reflection from the light in my room. And it, like I said, it will dry clear. I had a fan on this to speed up the process, and you can see here it's almost dry. And as you see, it dries clear. Now, because I paint also, and I am used to spraying my paintings, the next thing that I did was I wanted to use a gloss finish like this here and spray over just to give it an extra seal. This is probably a step that I won't do the next time. It just, after I did it, I thought this might have been an unnecessary step. And then I had to wait for that to dry as well. But then I put the black part of the backing on, and this is the finished product. Hope you liked this short tutorial.